I'm going to unbox Hobbs RHM2093B solo microwave oven. This normal price is about £60. Now I'm going to show what's inside. So I'll take this off. This is power button. This is low, then medium low, medium high, and high. And this button is timer. So your back side is 20 liter and 800 watt. Normally the smallest size is 17 liters. Let's see what's inside. So this is 20 liter. This is manual. This model number RHM2093B, 800 watt. I'm gonna measure the size. The size is 17 inches, the length, 10 inches, 11 and a half. Inside, almost 11 inches, 7 inches. Normally, this is a standard size plate. It goes inside easily, so I played it a bit bigger than this. Let's check. It goes, it still, it goes. It's fine, yeah. Okay. Now, let's power it on. Let's try this joint inside for half a minute. It's done. Stop. Okay. Let's see. Wow, it's too hot, really. It's too hot. It's really hot. So it's almost like basic one. Thank you for watching.